Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and I'm here today with a bit of a process video of some journaling that I want to do around a particular verse in Matthew. And I've got my praise book out, I've got my Bible out, and I'm not quite sure how this is going to go. I've not done one of these before. Please bear with me. So the verse that I want to look at is, it's in Matthew 6 and it's around the do not worry section, around verse 25. And the one that I'm really thinking about is this: look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they? And I've just been really thinking this past week about, you know, changes that are going on both in our world and in our country, but also changes that are going on in our family life as well. And there are things that I am just not in control of and that I'm starting to worry about, and I'm trying to not worry about them. And it just really hit me. And I've got some song lyrics as well from Steady Heart by I think it's Stephanie Gritzinger Ali, the link down below, and I just want to incorporate those somehow too. So I think I'm going to make a start with the page in here, and I'll probably put you some background music on and we'll see how we get on. So there we go. So that is the Bible entry that I wanted to do, and I did think about doing a whole page around birds and like a flock of birds and things, but there was so much in this page that I actually didn't want to cover the whole lot because, you know, I mean, it's just like, talk about just treasure everywhere. The only other thing that I did want to do is I am going to go ahead and highlight the verse that this relates to. And to do that, I've got some Faber-Castell Pitt pens, which are really lovely, and these don't tend to bleed too much either. So let's pick a colour, any colour. So I'm just going to, oh, watch out for the ink, it's not quite there. So I'm just going to do the look at the birds of the air bit. There we go. And the other bit that I'm actually going to put in here is verse 33. There we go. Okay. So quite a simple entry in there, but one that I really like. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my praise book, and I'm actually going to just expand on this a bit more. And the thing about the praise book is I've got more space to put in. Oh, I had a little bird that I didn't put in. Oh, he's going to go in the praise book. I've got more space to write and journal a little bit more. So in the praise book, there's loads and loads of different pages and loads of different papers and things. I saw most perfectly this one, which has got it's got pray more and worry less, so I thought that was just ideal for what I was thinking about. I've still got his lyrics I want to use, and I think what I'm going to do is treat it as a bit of a double page spread and see how we get on, really. So again, let's just grab a few bits and bobs. You can sit there, little bird, for a minute. Not sure I'm going to paint on this or not. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I probably will actually, because I've still got some of that really nice sort of acrylic-y colour that I made up before. So look, oh no, it has dried up a bit. Okay, we'll have, yeah, I can do something with that. Okie dokes. So again, I'm going to just speed this up now for you, and we'll see how we get on. Okay, so that is, or those are my completed pages. This is the kind of thing that I will probably come back to and add in little bits in the spaces around, which, you know, I'm quite deliberate about leaving spaces, because I kind of feel like, yes, I've done this today, but you know, there's going to be times in the next few weeks, the next months, when I'll come back to this, look at it again, and I might just want to add a little bit. So that's why I've kind of done that, really. Yeah, I think this came out a lot brighter than I expected. I think if I was going to paint on white again with these, I might just temper them down with a little bit of white next time, but hey, that's a learning process. And that then made me go, oh, I need to get some orange and bright colours over on this page just to balance it out. But yeah, really, I'm quite pleased with that. And as I've kind of been doing this, yes, it's nice to make something pretty, but also actually I've just been really praying through it, and just really, and I've had music on in the background, and it's just been a time that I've just been able to spend some time praying through the stuff that's going on at the moment, and just, yeah, really feeling so much more peaceful after that. And to me, that's the point of this. It's not the page at the end of it, although that is lovely. It's the time spent and the change in my thinking and attitude and sort of feelings at the end of it. So I hope that's been helpful for somebody. Well done if you've sat through it. We've got kind of those two entries then around Look to the Birds, got the Bible entry, and then the praise journal entry as well. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I shall hopefully try and do a few more of these. If there's any questions that you have for me, anything you're wondering about, just leave them down below. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep seeing more, and I shall speak to you again soon. Take care, guys. God bless.